Hey folks, hope you're doing well, and thought I'd do a quick video to talk a bit about how I think how getting um, like outdoors and and in nature, you know, could definitely be some benefit to us. Okay, so here's a quick disclaimer. Okay, I'm not quite in nature. Okay, it's like, sure, there's a few trees. Uh, there's there's a lake which is nice, but it's hardly you know a colourful forest or something like that. But there is a lake and there's some like trees and plants and things. So it's kind of what I got right now. So so that's the disclaimer. And what I found is that like just being outside, perhaps near a lake or you know, around trees and plants and things. It's like it gives us a sense of calm and you know, like it feels like a life current. If that makes any sense. It's like there's peace to it. And I got the inspiration about this from um, a guy called Ralph Smart. He has a YouTube channel called Infinite Waters Diving Deep, and he says to get outside in nature, and I can see what he was talking about. There's definitely a peace to it. There's a calm to it. It's great for I think it's great to get away from the busyness and to find a peaceful spot for yourself. Where you can come to. You can you can be present. You can you know like breathe, like kind of like I'm saying words, but it can be hard to like describe it. But there's like there's a piece to it. And I definitely recommend it. And you know, just find like a quiet spot for yourself. Like in a nature type environment. There's like perhaps there's a lake or there's trees or something. Plants. Just like in nature outside, and I think you'll see what I'm describing. So yeah, before I'd leave that, but then yes, yeah. So I'm saying, oh, in nature, and over there's like a car going past, but um, this is like the best I've got right now. So yeah. Okay, so for I'd share that. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe below to stay up to date with more videos, and thanks for watching. See ya.